In this video, I am going to show you how to make your profile private on Facebook. This is my Facebook profile, and I want to keep it secret from everybody. This video is divided into two parts. The first one is basic, and the last one is complete in steps. First, click on the profile icon. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Privacy Checkup. If you want to complete the privacy settings on your Facebook account, then watch the full video. If you only want to see the first part, clicking on Who Can See What You Share will be enough for you. Otherwise, we will discuss all options which are available. Click on Who Can See What You Share. Then click on Continue. Here, your phone number will not be visible to you. Then, your date of birth should not be visible to you. If you want to keep it visible, don't disturb this section. Scroll down, and it says, Who Can See Your Friend List or Your Profile. Just convert it to public to only me. Another option is Who Can See the People, Pages, and Lists you follow. Convert it to only me. After that, click on Next. Here, you will set the default options to only me. Then, for stories, the safest option is available. Friends. Or you can keep it short by clicking on Custom. This is your decision. Click on Friends, then click on Save. After that, click on Limit Past Posts. Only those persons who are tagged in this post will see it. Then click on Next. There is a blocking section where you can block any person. Just add the name or email of that person, and he will be totally blocked from your profile. Click on Next. Then click on Review and Other Topics. Part 1 is fully completed. Now let's move to Part 2. In this section, we will secure our Facebook account internally. Click on How to give your account security. Then click on Continue. Here, you can change the password of your account. Click on Next. Here, we will not disturb this button. Then click on Next. Then click on Review Another Topic. Now click on How people can find you on Facebook. Then click on Continue. Here, we will set who can send you a friend request. Click on Everyone. Here, there are two options. We will select the second option, Friends of Friends, because this is the secure option. Then click on Next. Here, it says that the persons who can see you, who knows your phone number. Click on Possible Connections. Then click on No One. Then click on Done. And here, it says that your email address. Click on No One. Then click on Save. Next, it says that search engines such as Google can link to your profile to help people find you easily. You can disable that one. Then click on Next. Then click on Review and the topic. Then click on your data setting on Facebook. Click on Continue. After reading this, click on Next. And then click on Review and the topic. After that, click on the last option, Your ad performance on Facebook. Then click on Continue. Click on Next. Here, we will disable all these options. This is the information which is shown on our profile to our friends. Then click on Next. Scroll down and click on your friend and convert it to only me, because if you like any post here, it will be visible to your friends. Then click on Next. Lastly, click on Review and the topic, and Privacy Checkup has been completed. Now let's go to Settings. Click on the Facebook icon. Then click on the profile icon. Click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. And then scroll down. Click on Default Audience Settings. And here the default audience has been selected. Click on Next. Here, go to the last. You can comment on your post and convert it to friends, because this is the last secure option. Then click on Done. Then click on Done again. Scroll down, click on how people can find and contact you. Scroll to and click on Chats. And here click on Message Request, because the last one is not a working option. If this Where button is working with your account, then click on Don't Receive Request. Then, another one is for those persons who are your friends of friends. Then click on Manage Request. And the last option is not working, keep it to Message Request. Then click on Message Request again. And click on Don't Receive Request. After that, click on Profile and Tagging. Who can post that you are tagged in your profile? Convert it to only me. Then, those who are tagged in a post wouldn't want to add the audience of the post if they can't already see it. Convert it to only me. Scroll down to and here Review tag that people's add to your post before the tag appears on Facebook, and this button for reviewing the tag. And then below, review posts that you are tagged in before the post appears on the profile. Enable this button. After that, access your information. Click on Continue. And then go to the upper bottom of your laptop screen, and here you will see only you can see this option has been enabled right here. After that, your account has been totally private. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.